Good day, good day, good day. I hope everyone is doing great. Uh, I hope everyone is doing great. This thing is high, something like that. It's fine. So yeah, it's that day, guys. That we know very well that there is economic news, high economic news. Naidu, how are you, man? BK Ambitions, greetings to you. I saw that you said Kenzie, whatever. Okay, can't hear you, Kenzo. Okay, yeah, the microphone was actually down. I was just talking to my homie, so yeah, we are here. So what's really happening here is, yeah, we have the news, guys. We have serious news. CPI. So what will happen? To be honest, I can't actually know what will happen, but it seems like let me just reduce this. It seems like they think maybe inflation is gonna go low or down. It seems like they think the market, the inflation is gonna go down, which means if they are right, maybe we'll see the likes of Nasdaq trying to push the upside. But that will be up to the market. Do you see this? The numbers are going down slowly. So if that is true, we will see maybe a dollar losing that steam. But you know what? We actually don't know. It's better for us to relax. So if I check the chart here, which is Nasdaq, it seems like the market is still actually in between. So it means there is a chance for the market to do what, to go lower or even go up aggressively. So the best way I can say is sometimes it's yes, we can guess and sometimes we can be right. But hey, sometimes it's not good to lose in the market, and at the same time you were just guessing, especially during the news. So it's better to relax. Let's wait for the figures. Even if maybe the market is here, I think the market will still follow that trend for some time. If the market is gonna sell, we're just going to take those sells. If the market, we're just going to follow the results or the figures that they're going to release. So we left with few minutes. I think maybe around 12 minutes. So what else do we have on the market? I'm going to check here is, let me reduce this. Okay, I think we can have this. So yeah, it's 5 things to know before the market opens. Remember, the market is not actually open, but I'm just going to read this for you, for those who maybe want to hear something about the market. It's 5 things before the market or stock market opens Thursday. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's check the first point. What's really happening? Yes, we understand that everyone was focusing on midterm elections, which, even though if I don't really understand some of them, but it seems like everyone was actually focusing on them. So first point, they say a lot to process. What's really happening? So market sold off Wednesday. Actually, Wednesday was yesterday, as investors sought something solid to hold on to during this uncertain time. The midterm election might not have yielded a GOP red wave, but control of Congress is still up in the air. Companies are still churning through earnings reports. Big retailers are up next week. And there are some major economic data points to digest as the Federal Reserve pushes ahead with its battle against inflation. Hey, share. And today, as you know, the consumer price index, the one that we're going to have in 10 minutes or something like that, a key measure of price increases hits at 3:30 here locally. For in the US, it's actually 8:30, actually early in the morning, and it's expected to stay hot. It seems like they still think maybe it's still going to be like the prices are still going up, just not as much as in recent month. Maybe even if it goes up, not that crazy. As everyone knows, markets really don't like uncertainty. Okay, so yeah, I think maybe that is something that maybe you wanted to know before the market opens. Number two, point number two, Binance. Okay, Binance. Okay, let me try to check this. I know Binance. It's not spelled like that, but it's like they say buy this guy. Maybe it's quitting. With this buy, when we try to analyze the statements or understanding this article, it's like buy like goodbye. Nance, this one, it's actually Binance, you know, the company of crypto. Yeah, let's try to read and see. So Sam Beckman Fried's crypto empire needed a savior for a day. It looked like Changpeng Zhao, CEO of the world's biggest crypto firm Binance, will be his white knight. Okay. Binance said it will prop up Beckman's Fried liquidity squeeze the FTX, but then, never mind, said Binance in the beginning. Our hope was to be able to support FTX customers to provide liquidity, Binance said Wednesday. But the issue are beyond our control and ability to help now. FTX, which was valued at 32 billion alien this year, is on the brink of a wipeout. A stunning fall from grace for Beckman Fried and his company, which itself had become known as a savior of failing crypto firms. Okay, I don't think I know much about that. Just need to skip that. There's nothing we can do. Citibank, bloodletting at the bank. Okay, bloodletting. JP Morgan Citigroup. Okay, Morgan Stanley. Okay, let's read this. I think this is going to be very important. Job cuts. This is not good. Once you see that, it's not actually a good story. Job cuts at big banks are picking up steam as deal making remains frozen in a market condition based by uncertainty and rising interest rates, according to CNBC's Hi Sun. Citigroup and Barclays rolled out dozens of layoffs this week. Okay. Following hundreds of cuts. Okay, people that are losing their jobs at Goldman Sachs in September and ongoing terminations at struggling Credit Suisse. JP Morgan Chase is looking to potential job cuts at the end of the year as it seeks to shrink cost. Don't want to spend much. Morgan Stanley is also examining possible layoff. Most of the banks are budgeting for decline in revenue next year. Next year, a person involved with providing data in this banking industry told us, okay, a huge loss for Russia. What? Okay. They always saying this. It's like, I understand that Russia might be doing something wrong according to whoever, the analyst, but it's like whoever who's writing this article, it's like even if things are bad, whatever that I see here might be done in Ukraine, but it's like, how is that going to be a loss for Russia? Because, okay, let's see. Russian forces are withdrawing from Kherson in the southern part of Ukraine. is the latest embarrassing defeat for Vladimir Putin in his invasion of Soviet neighbor. Kherson was one of the areas Russia claimed in its illegal annexation of Ukraine territory. Knowing that area importance, Russia greeted the news of withdrawal with caution and wondered whether Putin's army were setting a trap. He also said, without offering further details, that his forces are planning more operations. Okay. The crying of a lot. MSFT. I don't know if that is actually for Microsoft or something. The crying of a lot, whatever. Let me just read here. 1.5 billion in the economy. Sure, why not? A large chunk of Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen. Okay. Yeah, I was right. The crying of a lot Microsoft. 1.5 billion in this company. Sure, why not? A large chunk of Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen. Allen's art collection, which features pieces spanning 500 years, was sold at auction Wednesday night to the tune of nearly 1.5 billion. Hey, people, they have money. That easily tops the 922 million paid for the Harry and Linda McLaughlin collection. The previous record holder, Allen collection, includes works by legendary artist Vincent van Gogh, Edward Steichen, and Gustav Klimt. Told 5. Hey, people like art, huh? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Hey, people like stuff, so which we supposed to own also. So yeah, I see CPT King. How are you, man? FB fired 11,000. Yes, I think it's yesterday. I think this week actually. George, how are you, man? I see Tlo Ezekiel. How are you, my brother? NYC open at 4:30 and not 3:30. Wonder why? They say daylight time, whatever is changing and stuff like this. Every year it does something like that. Every year it's just like that. So I hope you understand that. So the market, is the market going to go up or down? Some they can do something like this, buy, sell, like that. When the market pushes up, if your broker is not going to push your pending order far, it's going to have very nice buy there. You can have a very nice buy or maybe a very nice sell. But I have a feeling, but mostly I'm wrong. I'm not talking about the analysis. I think the market will push up, especially when we are very close to the support. I might be wrong. I'm not saying buy or sell, but I'm just thinking maybe we might see a very nice push. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to put this here. Here, let me just do something like this. And do something like this. The reason behind this is we need to know if maybe we left with few minutes. So not few minutes, seconds, by the way. I think the market might push to the upside. So let's see. I'm not going to give anyone any signal, guys. The reason behind that is it's because we don't know where the market will be going. So it's better to relax than wait for the results. Then from those results, we can say, why not we have maybe something? Why not we have something? I think we left with few minutes. Few seconds, man. I think there's something positive happening. Come on. Yeah, it seems like, yeah, it seems like it's going, whoa, it's going down. So we're going to buy. Whoa, whoa, that is great. That is great. So yeah, I think the market might push up. I think the market will push up. I think the market might push up, and if it's possible, if you don't mind, it's better maybe to take a buy. I think it's better to take a buy there. So yeah, I think I wasn't wrong when I say maybe we might have a nice buy. I think I was supposed to go all in. I think I was supposed to go all in. The market, I think the market will just try to push up to the market open. So yes, guys, let's try to have some buy positions. Okay, let me do something like this then, because I also need to send this to the group. I think I can say current market, but remember, there might be some sort of a sell trying to give us some sort of a sell, sort of rejections, by the way, not sell. I think the market can reject very easy. I think the market can reject. So I can say let's buy where the market is currently. Yes, the market can reject a little bit, but I think that is good because it shows that the market can survive that, because we see inflation going down. So what I'm going to say is this is going to be risky, not for everyone. Listen, this is not going to be for everyone, right? So what I'm going to say is buy at the current price. Currently, our current price is what? I'm going to just do that. I will just say it's 11182. So that is our actually where the market is. I'm expecting the market to push up to a point where the market is going to open. So what I'm going to do is let me just send the signal also in the group. The results are not bad at all. The results are not bad at all. Inflation seems to be going down. So yeah, let me see. At 11182. Remember, the market can still reject because it's still hot, guys. The news are still very, very, very hot. So which means we might see the market trying to play games with us. So I'm expecting maybe the market to reach to 12,000. I'm expecting the market to reach 12,000. I'm expecting the market to reach 12,000. I hope we're not gonna have load shedding. Come on. We're gonna have load shedding K4. It means in 30 minutes from now. This load shedding thing is shit. It's not good. So which means we're not going to have enough time, but it's fine. So I'm expecting the market to actually give us some nice bullish move. But now, remember, it is still pre-market. So let's check this again. We can see core CPI is down, man. It's like seriously down. This is actually bad for US. For the dollar, not for the economy. It's good for the economy, but for the dollar, it's like something not really good. So this is going to boost the stocks, because it means the price we're trying to do what? The price actually they're now trying to push lower, which is something everyone wants. No one wants to buy bread $2, right? $2 is like 30 rands if you are in South Africa. I hope you understand that. So yeah. Malu, how are you? How are you, Pete? Looks like a bearish flag on the 1 hour. I think this thing can push higher. The results are very good. Kambule, how are you, man? How are you? Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Don't forget to smash that. So, yeah, you can see actually our entry is going to be very close. If you are with me here, you can say, you know what, the order is already triggered. So let me check if maybe we can get something on US30. Already, I know, already late. Already late. So I think even Nasdaq is going to follow. Let me check. Okay, gold. Okay. No, that's great. We can hold. I think everything is going to in positive currently. So, but for those who actually took that with me, Nasdaq, if we lose, we can lose together. It's fine. I already took that, guys. So, but we are in a bit smaller yana profit. Let's hope that we're gonna make something. Let's hope that we're going to make something. I'm hoping for some very nice moves. I'm expecting the market to push a little bit higher. Yeah. Smaller profit yana is not bad. Yeah, it seems like it's high. Already it's, to be honest, the way we actually entered is a bit higher, especially on this time frame. But we still have enough room to cover this area. So if maybe you don't feel confident holding up to this point, it's also fine. But if maybe we reach like, if we can reach like 11,600, that maybe can be your first TP, it's fine. But I think maybe the market can give us something. I'm not saying the market is forced to give us something, but yes, the market can give us something. So yes, we have an order there, 11, so 11182. There it's our entry. We're already in. If maybe things don't go the way we want, still we're not going to fight. We're not going to fight the market. So we can just hold this. I'm expecting, I can say I have that confidence that the market can push higher. But things, you know, the market, you know what? I'm going to plug my backup, so we're not just going to go down just because of working load shading. So if you see the power, if maybe you see me like 3 seconds, the video going down or blank is showing you blank, whatever, just know that I will be switching to my backup. But actually in few minutes, let's say in 20 minutes, around 4, we have a schedule around 4. So yeah, that is something. So yeah, let's hold and see. Maybe that will give us some very nice results. Yesterday, Nasdaq did not give us some nice results, but US30 did actually pay, and which is not bad. Sometimes we're gonna take those losses, but they don't have to just be a bad thing. So for those who want the robot, trading can be stressful with emotions left and right. It's difficult to follow your trading plan in these market conditions. It's difficult to be disciplined when things don't go in your favor. But did you know that a trading robot doesn't have emotions and is strictly going to follow your rules. Try Prime EA Robot so that you can start to eat and relax for only $150. Yeah, for those who want the robot, it's $150. Yeah, I'm hoping that, and we left with 4 or 5 people on $150. Then we're going to make it $250. The reason behind that is the robot is working. So yeah, actually, yes, we are back here. So let's just go maybe on 1 hour. Remember, guys, the trade is very optional. It's not like you're forced to take anything. What I know about the news is sometimes after the news, there is a chance there is that way a time when the market can try to push lower before pushing up. So you can also expect that. Sorry, you can also expect that. So, but the news are very good, guys. The news are very good, like better than what we saw last month and maybe last month. So, which means that I'm expecting the market to see some positive moves. I'm expecting the market to give us some positive moves. So yeah, that's great. Actually, that's great. Yeah. But hey, the companies, even if the inflation is trying to go down, but the companies, they laying off like workers, guys, like serious numbers. Just look at Facebook, 11,000. That is too much, man. That is too much. Yeah, but what can we do, guys? What can we do? There's nothing we can do. Sometimes that's how it is. That's how it is. So I'm expecting the market to reach 12,000. Let's correct that. Yeah, that should be our take profit. I'm thinking that actually I'm expecting the market to break that support, even to go around like 12,500. But for reasonable TP, I think 12,000 is much better. 12,000 is much better. So yeah, we are. It's not like maybe we are in a negative or something. We are still floating actually in a very, very, very small profit. It's fine, but it's quite small. It's quite smaller profit, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, it's better than nothing. It's better. It's better, guys. It's better, 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 much better. I think when the market opens here, we're gonna see it trying to retest before maybe pushing up again. But I'm just expecting some very, very nice push. I'm expecting some very nice push. Paparazzi. For those who maybe don't really have that confidence, if it pushes in our favor, you can just hit that and run. Maybe around 11,600 you can get out. There is nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong with that. Smaller yana is profit is profit. It doesn't matter how big is it. Even if it's $5, it's much better. It's better than nothing. Yeah. It's way, way, way much better than nothing. It seems like we're still trying to push the upside. Do you see that? It seems like we are going to still push to the upside. I think I think the market will still push the upside. And if it does that, the reason behind that is still the market is still actually still pre-market, guys. We're not open yet. Actually, the market is not open, so that's why maybe the market will try to move slow. But I'm expecting some aggressive push after a few minutes. Actually, when the market open, I think that five outlook candlestick can seriously push. So, but I will try to be with you, even if the power tries to go off. So yeah, let's see. Are you guys trying to eat? I know maybe you're not eating that much, but obviously you can see the blue colors. With and there is no even any rejection. You see, so yeah, which is something that I like. Sometimes you just enter, then 2 minutes later, you are in profit, even if it doesn't really happen every day. But it's better, guys. It's better just to enter, and now you end up in a very nice profit. You end up in a very, very nice profit. It's great. It seems like the market is trying to push up again. It seems like we will be trying to eat again. Which is something that we actually, everyone wants that. We all want that. We all want that, right? Let's push. Are you guys eating? Are you people eating here? I hope you're eating. Oh, are you eating? CPT King, are you eating? I hope you are eating. George, are you also eating? I'm hoping that, guys, you're going to eat. It's now trying to push. It is trying to push up, actually, aggressively. It's trying to push the upside aggressively. So I'm hoping that everyone is on the same page as me. And now it's flying. Now it's flying. I hope everyone is smashing. Are you eating or something? Are you eating or not? Are you eating? I can see Chloe say is eating. Chloe is already eating, which is great. Which is great. That's great, my brother. We're supposed to eat. We are supposed to eat. Don't let the market play games with you. We can still go higher. We can still go higher than this. Okay. Yeah, it's like we still smashing. I'm eating the demo. Malu, 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 malu. Oh, that's great, man. As long as you're gaining some experience, that's great. Eating is eating. It doesn't matter. Eating, it's eating. It doesn't really matter much what's really happening, whether it's demo, whether it's real. As long as you able to take something, as long as you can take something out of that, and that will be a part of your experience, especially with the news. I think this move, we're still gonna have like double this move later on, even if maybe it's not about when the market open, but I think tomorrow maybe the market will be around this area. If not, yeah, let's just say maybe the market will be breaking this area 11,700 there. The market might be trying to break, and just imagine maybe you entered here and you're already out maybe here, then tomorrow you see the market here. What do? You see, actually you just left the food on the table. You can't blame anyone and say, oh, I did not see that. No, you saw that. We know very well that the market might end up recovering, and that maybe this is the start. Maybe this might be the start. You can see this is a 4-hour time frame. You can see this is a 4 hours time frame, and currently here, actually the market was, as I said, I told you that I'm expecting the market to buy. So this was our support area. So I'm expecting what? The market to do what? To push to the upside. But remember, this is actually a sort of a hit and run and stuff because the trend still on our neck. The trend is still pushing lower. This is downtrend. This is downtrend. I think I need a drawing pad. Yeah, I think I need a drawing pad. So, yeah, I think you can see that this is a downtrend. It is still going down. So, yeah, I can see people are eating. That's great. I can see people, they are eating, which means, yes, we're doing something. Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain. That with this type of a trend, the trend is still very strong, by the way. But CPI, it's a quite bigger. It's quite bigger, actually, impact news. Maybe. Yeah, so let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait. Maybe the market will give us something. Okay. It seems like that theme is fading. But I'm expecting a nice push, especially when the market opens. I'm expecting a very, 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 very nice push. To the upside, by the way. I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. maybe to reach around this area. Don't just wait the whole day, because we are still actually on a downtrend. So anything's possible. The market can show us flames. It's possible. Yeah, so now actually we're just waiting for the market to open, but as you know, as I told you, in 4 minutes we might have load shading. Maybe if that doesn't really happen, we will be lucky. I will see if maybe we can do something. Please, guys, smash that subscribe button, like, share, like, share, like, share, like, share with your friends. Like, share with your friends, guys. Like, share with your friends. We need the channel to grow. With you guys, the channel is growing. And you know what? Thank you very much. Thank you. For 30. Cancel out load shading and yours are cancel out load shading and yours are still the same every time. Yeah, man. It's tough, man, with this load shading thing. So, but we'll see in 3 minutes, and they don't miss, yo. When it's time for them to cut off the power, they don't really miss. But when it's time for them to bring it back, hey, we go like also almost 30 minutes. Almost 30 minutes waiting for them to bring back the power. But anyways, yeah, we are eating. We are eating. We are still smashing. We are smashing. So I'm expecting the market to push a little bit up. To push up, yeah, the market can push up. So yeah, in 2 minutes or 1 minute, I will be saying something else, and it's difficult actually to go live with my backup because you can't power all these things. They like seriously chow the power. But anyways, maybe you got something hit and run, yana, then you maybe I hope you got something from that, and that maybe will boost your account so that tomorrow you can able to come back and trade again. Yeah, and if you can able to come back and trade again, that will be a good thing, because if you miss this one, or maybe you can actually, whatever that is happening now, it's like, let's try to grow the accounts. Let's try to grow the account, and yeah, that way it's how. That way it's how. Uh, that's how we stay in the market. We make money today, we lose tomorrow. We make money, but as long as we actually master our our risk management or our losses, that is something to help us to stay in the market longer. So yeah, that's something. That's something. So yeah, guys, try to smash that subscribe before the power goes off. I hope that the power might go now, but I don't really like that. I think maybe, sorry, I don't actually want the market, the power to go off. But if it does that, it's fine. I hope everyone did already smash. So there's no point making money and still play around here. Hey, this thing can come back and do something aggressive against us, and we don't really need that. The aim is not to stay in the market, but the aim is to eat and get out. You eat and go. You don't play because you're going to actually, whatever that you made is going to go back to the market. So please, smash that subscribe, smash that subscribe, smash that subscribe, smash that like, notification, share. Maybe the power won't go off. We don't know. Maybe the power won't go off. Let's see. Maybe the market will still push up. If it doesn't push up, there's nothing you can do. You already did get something out of the market. You already got something out of the market. So there's no point trying to fight the market. There's no point trying to fight. But what I know is, even if the market tries to push up, it's going to be difficult. These companies are struggling. The companies in this Nasdaq or US Tech or US100 or Nas100, they are struggling and they are laying off some employees. They just firing. They are on a firing spree. So you don't really have to expect much. We're just expecting the market to just play games like this, because news might be, if economic news might be positive, but if the companies are dying also because of whatever that was happening, or whatever like inflation is going up, this and that is not going to help these companies like as quick as we think. So it might take time for them to bounce back. You see, so but mostly when those companies are going to bounce back, we won't see that. It's just going to happen in a blink of an eye. So things will be like, whoa, now everything is getting back slowly and something like that. So, but mostly what I know is we won't know. We actually won't know when things are going to go back. But what can we do? We just have to listen to the structures or our strategies, whatever that we use. We can just listen to that. Tomorrow we still going to go on our live session. Don't worry. We're still going to go on our live session. Okay, the power is not going. Maybe they thought twice. They saw that maybe today it's CPI day and say, you know what? Let them eat. Let them eat. Maybe that is the reason. Maybe that is the reason. Maybe that is the reason why maybe they don't actually turn off the power. Come on. Hey, come on, Bill. It seems like the market is trying to come back, but that is not much. That is not going to scare us. But you should know your limits. You should know your limits. When it's enough, you should know when it is enough. When it is enough, né? So don't just let just stay in the market unnecessarily. Make sure that you understand that, you know what, maybe now it's enough, maybe now it's not, and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, the market is stuck there. We're waiting for the market to open. I hope the power won't go off, maybe. I want the power won't go off. But yeah, but we are actually, you got it actually in the middle. Sorry, so still expecting it to push. Still expecting the market to push. We are still expecting the market to go a little bit high. Because actually the results are good for stock market. Not for the currency. Or any currency which is against the dollar, it's good for them. If you close some few profits, I think sometimes it will make sense to take a risk. Let's say maybe you made something, you closed some, you're left with maybe one smaller lot size. You can just hold that because the market might still go in our favor. So there is no point to panic. There is no point to panic. There is no point to panic. So I hope you see that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that the market can still push higher. So who is still eating? Who is still holding the trades? Who is still holding the trades? Okay, the power is not going. Maybe they suspended the power. I mean, they suspended the load shedding, maybe. Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Hello. I see Pete already reached the target, 2,000 per day. Oh, that's great. 2,000 per day. That's something, huh? That's too much. That is enough, actually. That's enough. If you're gonna get that consistently, yeah, that's really great. That's really great. Yeah, let's push. Maybe the market will be opening in 20 minutes. The market will be opening. I think I already. Let me just check the news. What's really happening? Maybe on the news side. Inflation. Let's see. They say breaking news. Peak inflation in Europe. It's almost within reach. Okay. Okay. Let me just refresh this page. I just want to see what they're talking about actually. We already saw this central bank member says. So they mean maybe the market will be trying to bounce back. We don't know. We don't know. Peak inflation. Okay. Things are going good, eh? 3. Okay. Let's see. US pre-markets. Dow Jones surges more than 800 points after October inflation report is lighter than expected. Okay. I think if we click that, we're gonna see some stuff. We're going to see the news there. Or we're going to get something, let's see. They're fast, these guys. Alex, okay. Or let me just do this. Such more than 800 points. Yeah, we saw that the market has been going up since the CPI. Market set for positive open. Do you see that? They say market set for positive open ahead of key inflation report. Oh, this one is old. Okay, it's fine. But I think we're going to see a positive open after the news were actually positive. So stock as such, stock features surged the Thursday after October reading of consumer prices raised hopes that inflation has peaked. Okay. Futures connected to the Dow Jones Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped 844 points or 2.6%. S&P 500 futures jumped 3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures surged more than 3.7%. The Consumer Price Index, a broad-based measure of goods and the services cost, rose just 0.4% for the month and 7.7% from a year ago. That was its lowest annual increase since January. Yeah, that's positive actually. Economists were expecting increase of 0.6 and 0.79 according to Dow Jones, excluding volatile food and energy costs. So called core CPI increased 0.3 for the month and 6.3 on an annual basis, also less than expected, which means that it's actually positive for the likes of US30s and Nasdaqs. Yeah, let me just read this for you. Maybe the power will be trying its best not to go off. It certainly shows how much the market been keyed about, worried about, and wants to run on CPI if you get any sort of help here, said John Biggs of whatever. It just brings up the idea of peak inflation, peak Fed. The Fed will slow and peak rather than continue to aggressively hike at 75 basis points, which is going to be good for the market. If the inflation is going to go down or soften or something like that, we know very well that the Fed will actually slow this thing of aggressively hiking the rates, which means that will be actually positive for the Nasdaq and US30s as we trade them, just because We don't really like to sell every day. The trend has to change. Right, Treasury yield plunged after the CPI report, with the 10-year yield, Treasury yield, falling more than 18 basis points to 3.946%, falling below the key 4% level. There, these yield things, sometimes they can confuse you. So let me try to go to the tech, or to the next paragraph. We can read the whole day, guys. As long as we can make something, as long as you understand what's really happening. It's not all about the charts, but also what's really happening behind the charts, right? I hope you understand that. So by reading, by understanding whatever that is going on here, you will end up understanding one day, oh, Kenzo was talking about this. Now I see why inflation is going down and then the market is picking up. So those things, they correlate. So let's see, tech shares that have been in the hardest hit this year as inflation and rates surged led the gains in pre-market trading. Nvidia and Tesla sold more than 5%. Salesforce jumped 4%, and Apple gained 3%. We're talking about pre-market. So that can be more when the market opens. So let's check, where is the market going? Okay, the market is still pushing up. The market is still pushing up, and I still think the market will still go higher again. So at the end of the day, this might look like a easy money, because it's like things are getting positive and positive. So this should be sort of like easy money for you. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So let's see. The power is not going anywhere anytime. It seems like maybe they think about us. Semiconductor stocks got a boost, with shares of Lab Research, KLA, and Applied Material each up more than 5%. That's crazy. That's too much. So it follows a day of losses, with Dow dropping 646 points, or maybe 1.95%. The Nasdaq and S&P shed nearly 2.5 and about 2.1 respectively. The declines came amid uncertainty stemming from US midterm election. The market had hope Republicans will take sweeping control of the House of Representatives and the Senate, whatever. Okay. It seems like things are still positive. I think the market, we might see some positive opening. We left with 12 minutes. We left with 12 minutes for the market to open. Let's refresh. Maybe we'll still... Okay, so for those who were like late here, you can just... let me try to explain that for you. CPI month over month, CPI year over year, core CPI month over month. Okay, month over month CPI actually rose 0.4%. They were estimating maybe 0.6. So it means that's good actually. On the CPI year over year, rose 7.7%. They were estimating 7.9. Last month it was 8.2, which was crazy. Core CPI month over month, it's actually rose 0.3. They were expecting 0.5, and last month it was 6%. So that is a good number. That is a very, very, very good. That means if you know, you know, we expecting the market to push. We expecting the market to push to the upside. We expecting the market to push the upside. As you eat it, smash that subscribe button, smash that like, share the link, guys. There's no, you don't lose anything when you share the link. Let other people know that you're watching the channel. You check the channels every day. So just make sure that here's the channel that you can get some updates, this and that, live trading or live sessions. Then you get that. So I can see Chloe is still eating with break even. Okay, that's great. Digore, yeah, I think you eating. And Naidu just took some TP. That's great also. So yeah, that's seriously great, guys. So let's eat. Let's eat. It's better to eat. It's better to eat. It's better to eat. So I'm just waiting for the market to open. We left with 10 minutes. So after that, we're gonna check those news. So those companies those companies that they say they gained like 5%, they gain 4%, stuff like that. So we need to know. We need to check them out. We need to check them out, and yeah, we need to check them out. Let's see. Twitter. Paparazzi. Okay. The Daily Show. Attention, Elon, this handle. Impersonating sound. Okay. So yeah, I think the market is still trying to push to the upside. I'm trying to get you some new stuff, guys. Trying to get some news. Trying to get something for you. Let's see. Or USDT. Okay. Trying to get some news for you on Twitter. I bet we're doing some stuff, guys. We doing some stuff, so we need to make sure that our live session is good. Unfortunately, I just deleted some notification. Do you feel like okay? FB fell 8%. Oh, surprised. The world's most innovative companies are investing more on Twitter than ever. Okay. There is also some positive news here. Oh, they say it's okay, guys. I think I need to share the screen of Twitter. Ne? I think that can be great, but I think maybe I have to check some of these threads or maybe messages. So it's Eric Hidleyman, or it's Kleiman or whatever. Surprise. They say surprise. The world most innovative companies are investing more on Twitter than ever. Maybe it's because of of Elon Musk. Okay. Let's see. Customers, which includes a cross section of the US fastest growing startup, increased spend on Twitter by 18% in the 17 days post acquisition. Google grew 3.4. Facebook fell actually 8%. Oh, Twitter is still on. Twitter is growing super fast. I hope it continues. Okay. So, yeah, the entry is still going. So, for those who maybe the market is opening in 6 minutes. So, I'm hoping that you're going to reduce your stop losses, try to lock the profits there. I hope you are eating. Bruh. Seems like it's still pushing up. Does it feel illegal? We'll see. It certainly seems immoral. Binance likely to walk away from a deal to buy a collapsing competitor. Okay. Deal is Guys, do you feel like maybe Facebook, they're going to take Facebook out of Nasdaq or S&P 500? Maybe if it continues to sell off, because that is also possible, guys. If they go like below 100 billion or maybe below 50, there's a chance that they're gonna try to delist it from. Hey, alright, but we will see. Yeah. The market is still pushing. Amazon market cap shrinks to 879 billion from 1.88 trillion. That is like half almost. It's like they lost almost 1 trillion. Eh? Yeah, that is something not nice. Amazon becomes the world's first public company to lose $1 trillion in market value. Yeah, I'm giving you the news here. They say Amazon, because I'm giving you the first stories, they say Amazon is the first actually public company to lose $1 trillion in market value. Okay, I thought maybe it was Facebook. Okay. So let's see. Hey, I forgot my profits, man. I forgot my profits. You need to close some profits. You need to close some profits. Close. We need close. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad, eh? If we tell people that we're eating, they think maybe we're lying. I think the power maybe won't go off, Mike. So I think the power is not gonna go off. So let's relax and let me just check the updates for you. I will just make sure maybe from tomorrow, that Twitter, whatever that I'm going to read, is going to be on the screen so that we can see what we can talk about. Because whatever that we talk about here, actually, yeah, so that we can see maybe as long as it's all about the market, it's fine. Guys, you can show them some love. The market is still pushing up, guys. Yeah, the market is still flying. Yeah, the market is still flying. It's coming back. The market is about to open. Oh, the market is just opened. So let me check the companies that they were talking about. Let's check the companies that I was talking about. Moo app. I think the market can try to reverse a little bit, but I think we're still gonna eat. I think we can eat very nice. But hey, they also suffer in these companies. Doesn't feel good. It doesn't really feel good. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? I think everything's just green. I think everything's just green. Alphabet or Google, it's 5.7 towards 6, going towards 6. Microsoft 5%, Oracle, Adobe all on that positive. I don't see Meta Platform. Actually, what's really happening? Apple plus 5%. Okay. Amazon 8%, guys. Amazon is it's like seriously gaining something there. Where it's Tesla. Oh, Tesla, they're gaining 4.5. Sure, yeah, they're gaining something. They're gaining something. So I don't know why I don't see the percentage. Of Meta. Where it's Meta? Oh, Meta is gaining 4%. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. So we'll see if this maybe it's gonna keep pushing up or not. But now, currently, actually, the market just opened. Let's see if maybe, I hope everyone did reduce their stop loss to a small number. But I'm still expecting the market to push the upside. President Biden. So yeah, I think the market is still doing its thing. And if you know that you are eating, just smash that subscribe. You can smash that subscribe. I think Twitter is going to be interesting, guys. Don't you see that? Oh shit. Okay, it's fine. Mm. What's really happening with the Bitcoin? So let's see, guys. It seems like Bitcoin it's losing some massive. Is this losing? What the fuck? Oh, we smashed this one actually. Whoa, Bitcoin has been selling, 16. It was on 10. Yeah, this thing is crazy, guys. Bitcoin is seriously crazy. I thought maybe that was the wall. I think this was the area that I thought maybe the market will never go through. But it just showed us that, you know what? I'm not respecting anything. So now we are on 17 from actually 15, but it did not stay there that much. So maybe we'll see it going to 10. Maybe we can buy more. I think maybe it's time to buy Bitcoin. Guys, I'm not saying go out there buy Bitcoin. But I think it's attractive currently to buy Bitcoin. I think it's quite attractive. Way too affordable, huh? So should we be what? Can in the pimp? NFP. Wow. Or nay. Okay. Oh, can in the pimp? You mean can we buy? I think. Yeah, you can take that to actually with a smaller lot size. I think the market can still push up, but anything can still happen. We don't really have to fight the market. Yeah, so yeah. We don't really have to fight the market. Yeah, but I still think the market can still push higher. The market will still digest whatever that is going on. Uh, but slowly it seems like the market is trying to push lower. So whatever that you do, try to be careful, extra careful. Oh, break even. Oh yeah, you can. Actually, I already locked mine, actually. I already locked some. If the market pushes lower, then I will just go out. But the bad thing is, uh, I think the market can still push up. It's boring just sometimes to close out. Few minutes later, the market is higher. That is something that I don't actually like. But anyways, that's how the market moves, and I still believe that the market can still push higher from this. I think the news are still very fresh, very positive. This news is still going to go like for the whole week. Actually, the next week also. So I don't think maybe it's maybe late. I think it's still very early. So yeah. So let's check. Let's continue with the news. Okay. Okay, it seems like the market is trying to push lower. It seems like the market is trying to push lower, 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 lower. We already have 1 hour. That's great. Breaking news: US inflation fell to 7.7, lower than expectation. That's actually great. Yeah, it seems like it's trying to go back. It's trying to push back. But I think that might take some time. I'm out. Thanks. We'll wait. Okay, that's great. So yeah, I'm still waiting also. I'm still waiting. I think the market can try. I think the market will eventually try to push to the upside. Seems like it's going back. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe. Smash that subscribe. Smash that subscribe. Like, share, like, share, like, share, like, share. Don't forget to like and share. Like, share. It's going back another. We're pushing back. We're pushing back slowly. Yeah, now 3 days ago, Facebook parents Meta to begin laying off thousands of employees this week. Sheesh. Uh, Stranger things. 5. Twitter will soon add ability to access long form text. Ending of notepad screenshot. Yeah, Twitter is improving very quick. Growth is in a series of mistakes. Okay. Guys, it seems like it's gonna be not bad. We eating is not bad. It's fine. So I think we can now try to call it a day. So tomorrow, same thing, same time, guys. So let's call it a day. I hope maybe everyone enjoyed the session. So I think we're gonna add so much stuff. I'm thinking about Twitter. I think maybe we can add something for the channel. So, but I will see how we're going to add it. Yeah, but I think for now, everything's fine. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. Like, share with your friends. Tomorrow is still another day. The market is still pushing up. I hope maybe tomorrow the market will be around 12,000. Yes, I know the market might try to play games, but we will reach there. I think we will reach there. Yes, we can be wrong. That's fine. We don't really have to fight over that. We can be wrong also. So yeah, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join the team, join the team, you can see there the subscription packages. You can see 250 lifetime actually, and 150 12 months. Signals a 6 month it's $80. I'm talking about premium signals. So for those who want to, trading can be stressful with emotions left and right. It's difficult to follow your trading plan in these market conditions. It's difficult to be disciplined when things don't go in your favor. But did you know that a trading robot doesn't have emotions and is strictly going to follow your rules? Try Prime EA Robot so that you can start to eat and relax for only $150. So it's like we're back. We're flying back again. So yeah, I think we can just call it a day. We can call it a day. It seems like people, they don't really want to go. Hey, the market is still pushing. Do you see this? It's like the market was trying to scare some of people off. Then after, it's going back. Then after, it's pushing back. Do you see that? Now it's flying, eh? Guys, we eating, you know? We eating. We just smashing. Yeah, but I think it's a little late. That's great support to the resistant eating. That's great, man. That's great. So let's eat. Let's eat. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. You know what to do. Smash that like. Smash that like. Smash that like. Yeah, this is great. This is great. So yeah, we'll see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow. Bye.